Sup, Daily Gamers Report, Gaming here. Today we're playing Subway Surfers Monday's game. Let's play. So all you have to do is, it's just like Temple Run, but you're in like places and there's subways. And you're running from a cop. And there's different islands too that you can run to. Now there's obstacle stuff you can collect, but I'm not going to collect that penguin stuff. And also there's letters you collect to make words. This one's gonna be lava. Try to collect 3 more letters. But enough of that. There are gonna be some moving subways and look, in the ocean. Oh! East! Alright. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I had nowhere to go because we were stuck anyway. It was a tight space. So we're gonna play again. This is gonna be our Monday game. Tuesday we're back to Geometry Dash. I didn't make a game video yesterday because it was Sunday, and I only make one 6 days a week. I make them 6 days a week. Tomorrow we start school though. So oh, give me this. Yes, A. And letter A. Tomorrow we start school, and I'm excited. And on my main channel, I'll be doing back to school outfits. Like what I'm gonna be wearing. I think the first 3 days. I'm not sure how my vlog's gonna do it. Anyway, enough of the school stuff. Let's just get back to the game. You can collect some stuff too. That makes you go into the sky and stuff. Do the sky and crap. Through the subways and through Iceland to beat Subway Surfers we go. Ooh, I got hit. We gotta go faster though. We gotta get rid of this cop. I wanna find at least a jetpack, and we got a V. Oh! Nah, that doesn't count because it was glitching. And it's 6:58 too. Doesn't know that. Turn the volume down more so you guys can hear me. It's a very good game, and I definitely want you guys to the reason why I turn the volume down when I'm doing it, because sometimes it will be too loud and you can't hear what I'm trying to say. And you see another V because I died because that was a glitch, because I pressed it and it didn't let me go. If I get quiet during this, it's because I'm trying to get as far as possible. Whatever. Oh, how did I get hit again? Let's try not to get hit again, please. Ooh, so I love this thing. That thing, sorry about that. It pushes you into the air and you have coins in there. In the air. So that's a fun thing to use. There's also a jetpack, which is even better than that thing. It's like there's coins in the air, and I don't even have to. But when I had the magnet, I didn't even have to go. I didn't even have to go towards the coins because the thing was right before me. I don't even know what the ×2 thing does. I'm going really fast now. Let's see another penguin. Yeah, not really good. Comment down below if you think you know what the penguins do. Yeah, man. I knew I should have did that. We got far, and we got a mystery box prize, and we get some Fresh's Stereos. collect 47 more to unlock fresh. That's what I'm trying to get. But I don't even know why. Like if you guys know Spike, he has guitar, and you have to collect at least 200 of them. Like that's way too much. That's way too many. That's too many guitars. And Utani, you have to collect like 400 of his UFOs. Like that's a ridiculous amount of UFOs. Like who in the world would ever do that? I think we're gonna do one more run. I mean, this is gonna be the last run, and I think I'm gonna end the video off. I like doing longer gaming videos so you guys can see, like, have more fun watching the video. And what is this thing? Plus 10 multiplier. Cool. No. I'm not trying to get hurt, and I'm not trying to trip. What is this thing? Hold on, I'm going way too fast. This is new to me. Is it like a hoverboard? Oh! God. Oh, man. Oh, man, that was hard. That was tough. Alright, I'm gonna do one more run. This is gonna be the last run, and this is it. I like the way I like the way Jake, that's the person that's running. I like the way he made the Subway Surfer thing. Oh, a mystery box ahead, so let me get that. And push. Oh man, come on. Oh, this shoot thing. Now this shoot king can be quite dangerous too. It jumps you really far, and it's like a magnet and a shoot. Oh, yeah, I knew this thing could be a little dangerous. And what is this thing again? I'm gonna try to end it when I see the jetpack, but it's not gonna happen. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. Oh man. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe. We got a mystery box. I'm opening this before we leave. And we got a hoverboard. Double tap to activate. I was gonna show you that one, but over and out.